everyone and Assalamualaikum. We are from class Cingleès and class from JCS 143-2A.
Hello everyone! So today we're gonna share with you what is our assignment for Calculus 1, and I hope that you all understand what we want to explain to you. During this MCO, I hope that all of you stay at home, keep clean and stay safe. I know that online learning is such difficult things for you to study. It's also difficult for us to make a video for our assignment, and all of you know that our assignment due date is really near. So I know that all of you want to know who is the class Cingleès. I'm gonna introduce to you who the members for class Cingleès in our assignment.
So, this is Nurul Atikah Binti Jafni, and she is the one who told us the introduction and the conclusion. This is Syazwani Syakirah Binti Muhammad Azuan, and she is the one who tells us what is the problem solution and how to solve this question. So, our last members is Nurul Aqilah Binti Hisham, who told us what is the problem statement in application of coffee makers.
First thing first, we have to know what is the meaning of differentiation. Okay, differentiation is the derivative, is the instantaneous rate of a change of a function with respect to one of its variable. It also can mean as a process of finding the derivative or rate of change of a function. So, why do we use differentiation? Differentiation allows us to find rate of change. For example, it allows us to find rate of change of velocity with respect to time. It also allows us to find the rate of change of x with respect to y, which on the graph y against x is the gradient of the curve.
Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Nurul Aqilah Binti Hisham. We are class Cingleès from JCS 142A. So, we need to make a video for our assignment during this MCO. Since we cannot meet each other, we need to compile all of our videos. I hope that all of you can understand the topic that we want to explain to you and enjoy. Today, I'm gonna share with you what is the problem statement for application in coffee makers. Let's get started. As you all hear the introduction from Atikah, the problem for application in coffee maker is the process of making coffee. So, let's see the video. How fast the coffee is draining from a conical cup. In this process, coffee is draining from conical cup that have a paper filter coffee at rate of 12.5 inch per minute into a cylindrical pot. How fast is the head of the coffee in the cone when it is 5 inch deep? Let's hear and see the solution from Syazwani Syakirah.
Okay, Aqilah, for the problem statement that you have presented. Now, let's hear Syazwani Syakirah present about her solution. So let's go.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Syazwani Syakirah Binti Muhammad Azuan. We are class Cingleès from JCS 143-2A. Okay, so today we will talk about the solution that Aqilah told you just now. Okay, in this topic we will involve differentiation. So I hope you all understand and hear carefully what I will say after this. From the question, we get that the rate, which is dV over dt, equals to 12.5 inch cube over min.
or I can say 12.5 inch cube over minute. Also, from the diagram, we know that r equals to h over 2. R is radius, h is height, which is h equals to 2r. We want to find how fast is the height of the coffee in the cone when it is 5 inch deep. So, we can see that in the question, we want to find the h over dt. So, the height is 5 inch. Based on our knowledge, we know that formula for volume of cone is V equals to 1 over 3 pi r square h. Okay, start with the volume of cone, which is V equals to 1 over 3 pi r square h. We substitute the r into formula, then we get 1 over 3 pi h over 2 square h equals to 1 over 3 pi h multiplied by h square over 4. By that, we get dv over dh equals to pi h cube over 12. From the height we just substitute the height, then we get that dv over dh equals to 125 over 12 pi. By using chain rule, we get that dv over dt equals to dv over dh multiplied by dh over dt. Okay, now we substitute the dv over dt that we get from the question and dv over dh that we just solved just now. Okay, so we get 12.5 equals to 125 over 12 pi multiplied by dh over dt. Then we get dh over dt equals to 12.5 divided by 125 over 12 pi. Lastly, we get dh over dt equals to 0.3819 inch over minute. That's all.
I'm Aqilah and Syazwani presenting you about the problem statement and the solution. We can conclude that it's the application of differentiation in coffee makers. And we would like to thank you for all those that watch our video, and don't forget to like. Bye.